Number 15. A 23-year-old man in India was stranded on the side of a mountain nearly a kilometer high after falling from the top and landing in a hole in the mountain. He was trapped there for about 40 hours while rescuers worked to reach him. A drone delivered food and water while the rescue team planned how to get him down. Thankfully, he was eventually rescued safely with only minor injuries. Number 14. On August 12, 2015, a massive explosion in China, known as the 2015 Tianjin explosions, was captured by a drone flying over the area. The blast occurred at a chemical storage warehouse and was so powerful that thousands of nearby cars, including Hondas and Toyotas, were destroyed, burned, or blown apart. A second explosion soon followed, creating an even larger blast. The explosion was so intense that it was detected from space. In the aftermath, more than 150 people lost their lives. The drone footage captured the devastating scene and the destruction left behind. Number 13. At a local waterfall in Hawaii, a drone captured the moment a sudden flash flood came crashing down the waterfall. A tourist who was near the water was caught in the surge and swept away down the river. The drone operator quickly used the drone to search for the man along the river. After scanning the area, he was eventually spotted on land and, remarkably, was found alive. Number 12. In the Gulf of Mexico, a drone captured a massive blaze on the water caused by an oil leak near an offshore oil rig. The leaking gas created a fiery whirlpool on the surface of the ocean. 3 vessels were deployed to contain and extinguish the flames. Fortunately, the oil was reported to be non-toxic to wildlife, and no workers were on the rig at the time, so no one was at risk. Number 11. A resident of Tampa named Jeffrey was captured on drone footage fighting a massive 10-foot American alligator in the water near his home. He miraculously survived the attack, but was left with serious, lifelong injuries. Jeffrey needed 34 stitches in his head and suffered multiple bite marks across his body. After the terrifying encounter, he vowed never to go back into that river again. Number 10. A man named Rusty was exploring a cemetery at night that was rumored to be haunted by the spirit of a woman who had lost her baby and then took her own life just days later. Wanting to document the location, he brought a drone with him to explore parts of the cemetery without having to walk through the dark graves alone. After hearing strange noises coming from deeper in the cemetery, Rusty decided to send his drone in to investigate, instead of going himself. As the drone moved between the gravestones, the camera suddenly captured what appeared to be a shadowy figure slowly rising from the ground before quickly running off into the darkness. The unexpected sight scared Rusty badly. Not wanting to stick around any longer, he quickly brought the drone back, packed up his equipment, and left the cemetery immediately. Number 9. In Indonesia, a tourist was swept away by a strong current. A rescue team searched for her, but had no luck. A drone later captured footage of a woman in the water near the team who didn't seem to notice her before she moved behind a rock and disappeared. Her parents believed it was their daughter, but her body was never found, leaving the mystery unsolved. Number 8. A drone flying over a rural property captured footage of an angry man who began shooting at it from the ground. One of the shots eventually hit the drone, bringing it down, but the camera kept recording as it fell. The exact location of the property was never disclosed. About a week later, The same man was reportedly arrested after shooting a nearby neighbor, making the earlier drone footage even more disturbing. Number 7. In 2017, a 20-year-old man named Zach led police on a chase that lasted several kilometers. Trying to escape, he ran into the ocean and began swimming farther and farther away from shore. A drone captured the moment as Zach continued swimming aimlessly until he started to struggle in the water. Police were forced to rescue him before bringing him back to shore, where he was arrested. Number 6. In June 2013, footage originally classified by the German armed forces showed two planes narrowly avoiding a mid-air collision. One aircraft was carrying around 100 people. The video shows the two planes approaching each other before passing with only inches to spare. The near miss happened so quickly that it could have turned into a disaster. If the planes had collided, the result would have been catastrophic and likely caused a devastating loss of life. Number 5. In April 2020, off the coast of New York City, a drone captured something it likely wasn't meant to see. The footage showed workers in hazmat suits digging a long trench, while others lowered large containers into the ground, as several men in black suits watched nearby. The shape of the containers led many to believe they could contain human remains. It was later revealed the footage was taken at Hart Island, a burial site used for unclaimed bodies. The drone had unknowingly captured the burial process, revealing a grim and unsettling scene. Number 4. A woman suffering from dementia went missing from her home, prompting a search by her family and police for days. Eventually, a drone with a heat signature camera detected a person deep inside a forest, not far from her home. When rescuers reached the location, they found the woman cold, hungry, and disoriented after spending days alone. Thankfully, she was rescued safely. Number 3. A YouTuber named Rungun Griff runs a drone-based channel where he captures exotic and unusual locations from the sky. In one recent video, his drone filmed a remote field where a massive pattern of strange markings had been cut into the crops, forming a symbol-like shape. The markings are so unusual that many theories have emerged, with some suggesting they could be of alien origin, as the formation doesn't appear to be human-made. The footage provides a mysterious and eerie glimpse from above, leaving viewers questioning what could have created it. Number 2. In late 2016, while flying his drone over a grassy forested area, a YouTuber captured something strange: a suspicious clown standing alone in the middle of a field. The figure stared directly at the drone before suddenly running toward the forest. The drone followed, capturing the clown as it disappeared among the trees, and it was never seen again. The eerie footage left viewers questioning whether it was a prank, a lost performer, or something far more unsettling. Number 1. In Colorado, a massive thunderstorm sparked a fire that began spreading through the crops of a farmer named Eric Howard. Acting quickly, Eric jumped into his tractor in an effort to stop the flames and minimize the damage. He plowed a line through his field, removing the crops and exposing bare dirt to create a fire break, slowing the fire's progress. Firefighters later applauded his quick thinking, noting that his actions prevented the fire from causing far greater damage, not just to his crops, but to the surrounding area as well. Thanks for watching these 15 incredible drone clips. Be sure to check out the other videos, and don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.